Hi, I am Father Aaron Galvizo. I'm the chaplain here at Mater Dei High School, and what we are doing today is it's our day of reconciliation. Well, the day of reconciliation is really important for most especially for all Catholics because as the church requires us, we are supposed to make our confessions at the very least once a year. And the school is very blessed to organize this day of reconciliation to give an opportunity for all people, students, and staff, well, basically everyone here in the school, to have this opportunity to make our sacramental confession.